Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Focus guys, third generation MK3. This one should cover the years 2012 to 2018, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace your brake light switch. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me show you guys where that brake light switch is located, how you get to it and how you replace it. If that brake light switch doesn't work, you may experience your cruise control not working, brake lights not working, quite a few things guys, problems with the traction control as well, just because of that switch. If you need to buy any tools or parts that we use, including the replacement switch, we'll have the links in the description of the video below guys for your convenience, so please do check it out. Now, right here guys, we need to open the driver's door. We need to go to the brake pedal of that Ford Focus. Okay, I'm trying to do my best here now guys. Okay, let me get the light resituated so I can show you a little bit better, okay, where things are. Okay, perfect. Now right here guys on top, okay, you can see this is the brake light switch. Okay, that thing right here. So this is the wire that we need to disconnect. We can do that later or we can do it now. It's up to you guys. Okay, I'm just trying to focus a little bit because I'm upside down. And you need to turn it guys clockwise, pull it out. You can see it just goes clockwise only. Now the wire for the cable right here, you need to push in or push with a screwdriver here and disconnect it. Unfortunately, okay, I will have to do that with two hands, so give me some time. Okay, I'm working. So I did get it loose. Okay, and we pull it out. You can see on this side on the back, you press in and you pull it out. And now looking at it guys, okay, this is the brake light switch. Okay, that's what it looks like. Now I'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace it. That's how we remove it. And if you need to buy one, we'll have the part numbers and where we get ours from in the description of the video below. Check out the links. So we get the new switch now guys. Okay, new switch is right here, and that switch goes only one certain way. Okay, I'm trying to get it in the canal here. Everything is so limited room that it's okay guys, I'm trying to align it. I almost hit it. Almost did, and then okay, it's in, locked in place now. Okay, you just turn it counterclockwise to lock it in place, and now we need to install the wire all the way in. Perfect, and that's how you guys remove and replace the brake light switch. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.